So I'm about to make a very simple smoothie. I know a lot of people may be intimidated, I don't know why, making smoothies, but this is like a simple, easy smoothie. I have fresh spinach, and I have 3 frozen fruit, pineapple, strawberries, and blueberry. And I'm gonna add some chia seeds, and chia seeds are really good. Great source of fiber, protein. So these little seeds are power packed. I'm gonna add a little water. So that's what I use. I don't do juices, I just add water. So this is very simple and tasty. Let's get to it. So I already have my ingredients in a bowl. So this is spinach and frozen blueberries. Dump that in. And I do not measure, so. And I'm doing strawberries and pineapples. And this is a NutriBullet. I like this. And I'm gonna add some chia seeds. Kind of eyeball it. Now that probably was 1 tablespoon. And now I'm gonna add some water, just plain old water. And I kind of do it based, when I mix it, I do it based on kind of like the thickness or thinness that I like it. So we're gonna pop the top on and blend. So now let's get to blending this smoothie. I'm putting it on hot. So the smoothie is ready and I have my jar. I'm going to pour it up. Then I'm going to get me a straw. Tastes good, that's it. You can use kale, you can do whatever combination you want, but this is what I did. Very simple, very easy. So if you're new to doing smoothies, this is a great one to try. I think you will like it. And remember, small steps equals to big change.